In the bowl of your stand mixer, add 2 sticks of room temperature unsalted butter, followed by 2/3 of a cup of granulated sugar. Using the paddle attachment, cream butter and sugar. Mix for a couple of minutes until light and creamy. Oh, and one more thing, get the full written recipe at kelvinskitchen.com. Then add 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract and 2 egg yolks. Mix for 1 more minute, scraping the sides of the bowl if needed. Mix 2½ cups of all-purpose flour with half a teaspoon of fine salt. Now combine butter mixture with flour mixture. Mix just until combined, do not overmix. Then line a large baking tray with parchment paper. Using a cookie scoop, scoop the batter onto the tray. With clean hands, shape the cookie dough into balls, just like so. Now you may use your thumb to give it that famous thumbprint shape. However, I like doing this step with a half a teaspoon. I don't know, it gives you a better shape. Using the back of a round half a teaspoon, go ahead and press indents into each cookie. Now transfer the cookie dough to the freezer for at least 20 minutes. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 177 degrees Celsius. And after 20 minutes in the freezer, they should be frozen solid. Add half a teaspoon of your favorite jam to each cookie. I am using raspberry jam, but use whatever you want. Now, bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for exactly 13 minutes. And if everything goes according to plan, your thumbprint cookies would look like this. Let the cookies cool on the tray for a few minutes, then transfer to a wire rack and let them cool off completely. And to make these thumbprint cookies extra pretty, go ahead and dust them with powdered sugar. And there you have it, thumbprint cookies. Enjoy, buen provecho. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.
Yeah.